Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually go and blur in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Wondershare Filmora application and website and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the File, Edit, Tools, View, Export, and the Help option. And also we have the Media, Audio, Titles, Transition, Effects, Elements, and Split Screen options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and blur in Filmora. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So what you need to do first is go and insert a video. You can do it by dragging it and dropping it inside here, then going and clicking here to drag and drop it in the timeline. You can also click on File, Import Media File, or click Control I. Now guys, when you do that, you just need to go and click on Effects, and here we need to go and find the Mosaic effect. You'll go and type MO, and you'll have it here, Mosaic, as you can see. Click on it, drag it to the part of video where you want to blur it, and now you can see that we have a part of video blurred. You can go control it how you want it. You can go make it bigger. You can make it bigger in whichever size you want. You can do whatever you want with it. You can change it. You can make it bigger by clicking on the timeline here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. As I said, I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.